Welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday. Today, we are going to talk about employees being your best brand advocates. Top reasons why. Well, first of all, they're not going to be your brand advocate unless you set the culture right. Very important. We've talked about it many times. But the reason that your employees or team members, like we like to call ourselves, I'm a team member, everyone here is a team member of the big team. The reason why employees and team members can be your best brand advocates are, it amplifies your company voice, right? It makes it louder, more people get to see, they see you sharing, and when they see people who are involved in a company they work with and they're proud of it, they share it, they talk about it, it just bleeds through the sincerity, right? It builds instant credibility. It's not hogwash. It's not all the stuff they're paid to do. It's something that they want to do. They want to help promote their team. Whether it's just they enjoy working in the environment, whether they have passion for everything they do, there's a lot of reasons why. It also increases your reach and authentic, original engagement. Whether you get 100 likes or 56 comments or just one comment from maybe a team member's mom, it's cool, it's fine. We want to keep it real. You want to keep it authentic. You want people to share, like, and they'll comment when they feel like it. If you didn't give that content purpose, then they're not going to give you a comment, right? They're not going to share their thoughts about it. And it's important that you do. You're sincere. You have a right message in the content for your business that is reflective of what you're trying to do. Ask for comments, ask for feedback. I know I always do. I think it's important. Another big thing is it creates more of an internal community. And what I mean by that is, like, you get a lot of followers for your business, depending on your type of business, dentist, chiropractor, agency like us. You get different types of followers, right? They're looking for tips, ideas, help, how to help build their business, promote their business. If you're a dentist, obviously, you're not looking for that, right? You're looking to see who's using that dentist and what are they talking about? How are the reviews? I think it's important to have your team be involved in the emulation, the creation of all of the social media content, whether it's blogs, new images on the website, posts, visuals, team effort, team lunches, all those things. I think it's super important on any business level that you stay creative, you stay fun, stay true to the heart on what you really want to do here. Keeping your team behind it, it also encourages them to share your internal culture with the audience. Let's say you're looking to grow and expand your business and you're looking to bring good people on, and they see all these posts, they see how your team is reacting and how they fit together and how everything just seems just perfect. Well, honestly, it can be, and it is here. And when people come and they ask, we get calls constantly about, are you hiring? And it's kind of neat. Like it creates this like subculture of just like, hey, I want to be with that team. You should create content. You should create your culture and your team so people want to emulate you, want to come work with you, want to be part of something that is more sincere and real than something that, you make believe that you're just this huge agency that's just, overpowering and the creatives are there and you're the best in the world, but yet you don't showcase your culture and your team, your people. One of the last points I want to make, and it kind of deals with like who your clients are as well. In some of our cases, we've had a lot of experience with some professionals, some ambassadors, and Instagram influencers. So you should always make sure you have a policy. I always do too as well. In every agreement we have with every team member we bring in, that you got to be careful on what you say or share. If it's other people's content we're creating for them on behalf of them, we have to be very careful. And there's a policy we put in effect that you can't share or talk about unless it's asked to do so with some of the people that we work with. Obviously, it's detrimental to their lifestyle as well, being that they're paid for their posts, but we want to make sure that we create that policy, stick to that policy, you adhere to that policy. It doesn't have to be anything brutal or anything like that, but just a good understanding as a team what you can and can't do. I think it's important. Other than that, I'm low on coffee, low on caffeine, so here's to you, here's to me. I'm on my way to get another cup of coffee. See you on the flip side.